wondered how those small pixelated squares could be your secret ally in marketing your business? Hey, it's Arit here with Estetino Media. And in today's video, we'll explore 5 creative ways you can use QR codes for business growth to get more leads and sales. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand the power of QR codes, but you'll discover a tool that makes creating these QR codes and tracking your results easy. So let's get started. Number 1, use QR codes during presentations, webinars, or speaking engagements. Imagine that you're at the end of a presentation or a speaking gig and you've captivated your audience and now it's time to give them a call to action. I was recently at a business conference in Toronto and every single speaker on stage ended their presentation with a slide that had a QR code on it. And so they invited the audience to scan it from wherever they were sitting to give some sort of freebie away. And this works, by the way, whether it's an in-person conference presentation or a digital presentation. So by putting a QR code on your last slide, viewers can use their smartphones to scan and instantly access downloadable resources. You can ask them to follow you on social media or book a free consultation or even take a quiz related to your talk. So this is a way that helps you capture more email subscribers, and it's a seamless way to turn a live engagement into action. Number 2, put a QR code on your business card. This is my business card. I have my contact details on the front, and then I put a QR code on the back that gives away free training. And this helps me turn a face-to-face interaction into an actual email subscriber on my list. And I can't tell you how many people love this idea. We always get comments on these cards, how unique the cards are. And QR codes not only make a standard business card more interactive, but you'll stand out, which is great because typically you get so many business cards from an event that you want yours to stand out. You can make this QR code do anything. It could link to a free downloadable resource, a single page with all your social media profiles so they can follow you on your socials, right? It depends on your goals. You can even, when scanned, make this into a digital business card. So when someone scans it with their phone, they'll instantly on their phone have your contact information. They can save your contact into their phone and then have all your links associated with it as well. It's really a modern twist on an old classic, making your business card not just static information, but a gateway to more engagement. Number 3, use QR codes in your book or print marketing materials. So if you've written a book or you have flyers or brochures that you hand out to people, use QR codes strategically here. For example, if you're an author, you can place a QR code inside your book linking to relevant resources. Maybe there are worksheets associated with the book content or bonus chapters or even exclusive interviews. So readers can scan the code with their smartphones, enhancing their experience and increasing the connection with your brand. And if you have other print marketing materials like flyers or brochures, again, place a QR code on there because it will lead people to the first step of engagement. Maybe that's booking a free consultation or taking them to a page for an intake form or a survey. It makes taking action and engaging with you much easier. Number 4, put a QR code on your social media banners. So whether it's your YouTube banner, Facebook page banner, Facebook profile banner, or LinkedIn, you can use that real estate on the graphic to provide social media viewers or browsers with a direct way to engage with you. So again, offer a free gift, a way to opt in your newsletter, guide them to your website or your portfolio. Just to give you an example as well, we even sometimes use QR codes in our video content like this banner. And we have this graphic pop up which invites people to opt in for our free newsletter about creating profitable content. And you can do the same thing with your content. So the QR code is really an opportunity to capture people from social media and turn that into website traffic, email subscribers, or people booking into your calendar. And number 5, put a QR code on your holiday cards. Why not add a personal touch to your business strategy? If you're someone who sends out holiday cards to your clients, or maybe you're not, but you might be inspired to do so now after hearing this idea. Instead of a generic greeting card, put a QR code on there so that it leads to a special gift. Maybe it's a holiday discount or an exclusive offer or a heartfelt video message for their support in the past year. It will really be a nice surprise for your customers because most people aren't doing this, and it will encourage repeat business. I mean, whenever you're doing something out of the ordinary in your marketing to compare to what most people are doing, you'll capture attention because people are attracted to novelty. And you can even say something in the holiday card like, use the discount yourself, or feel free to pay it forward and share this with someone else to spread the holiday cheer, or something like that. You can get creative with it. There you have it, 5 powerful ways to use QR codes for business growth. But how do you go about implementing all of this, right? I've been using this tool called Uniqode, formerly known as Beacon Stack. And full disclosure, this is a sponsored video, but I really would not be promoting them if I haven't used it myself, which I have, and if I didn't believe in their product, which I very much do. Uniqode is an online QR code generator that makes creating and tracking QR codes a breeze. You just pick the type of QR code that you want to make, put in your link or info, customize the QR code with your brand colors, and then you just download the QR code you've created and stick it on any of these things that we talked about today. What I really love is you're able to track how many people scanned the code, so you can optimize the performance of your marketing campaigns and improve results. Click the link in the description below to check it out and sign up for a free trial. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.